Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I defined my natural hair coils using Indian healing clay and apple cider vinegar. The measurement I used in this video is 4 tablespoons of Indian healing clay and 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. After mixing the Indian healing clay with apple cider vinegar, I had to add some water to get the consistency that I want because I don't want it to be too thick nor too runny. So I will go ahead and apply the mixture to my natural hair. But before that, I had to wash my hair to enable my fingers move freely while applying it. One thing I like about these hair masks is that it has so many benefits, such as making your hair to be stronger and shinier. It will alleviate your scalp issues. It helps in defining your natural hair coils. So, I'm done applying the Indian hair clay. Now I'll go ahead and wash my hair after 30 minutes. This is how my hair looks like after washing it. You can actually see some coils, right? The next thing is to apply my Cantu leave-in condition. That's the final results. Can you see the coils? Oh my goodness. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this video helpful. Thank you.